I want to change the color of the tree here. So you see here, when you do Control U, hue and saturation, you can change the color of that layer here. But the thing is, either you do it layer by layer to all the trees here. But what we'll do here is I'll create a group. So that it's easy for us to apply that property, right? So I'll group all the tree layers together. Where is it? Till here. Okay, see, I've grouped all of them together. So now you see, when I'll use this hue and saturation thing, I'll go to image adjustment. We can't use this here, right? You can't apply hue and saturation from here. Why? Because we have created a group now. If for the layer you want to do, then you can change it. But for the group, it will not work. So what about group? What if I want to change the color for the group? So from here, layer adjustment, you see we also have hue and saturation. So I'll select hue and saturation from the layers here, from the layer adjustment, right? And here you will find this hue and saturation and lightness, the same thing what you find there. And by changing the hue, we can change the color. But you see, when I'm changing the color, you see the color for the whole image, like background is changing. Any idea why? Like, see, why when I'm changing the hue, the background color is changing? Any idea? No? Why it's changing? Because you see below the hue and saturation layer, we have so many layers, your tree layers, your mountain layers, your scenery, your this color, background. So when I'm changing, the hue and saturation effect is getting applied to all the layers here below. But I just want to apply this property to trees layer. So we have learned in clipping mask that when you want to apply the property of one layer to another layer, you do clipping mask. So here I just want to apply the hue and saturation property to trees because I just want to change the color of the trees here. So what I'll do is I'll right click and I'll do create clipping mask. Now when you'll change the color, see, only for the tree is changing. Okay, like this. Let's say I want a color somewhat like this because I want to go with my theme. So this looks good. That's it for your upper area here.
Enroll now to master this software with us. Link is in the description.